If you are a parent of a secondary school student in England and wondering how to help them, maybe you are a little bit confused about the differences you are seeing between English education system and the system you had in home country. I understand. I know how difficult it is to watch children struggling, and my own efforts to look after my children made me create Jothi Learning. At Jothi Learning, we help our students to ace their school test and become number one in their school, in their batch, in their set through something called Jothi Trifecta, which means three winning elements. Our winning elements are strategy, learn with a strategy, with a focus, and mindset, have a growth mindset, healthy habits, and the third one is a competitive peer group, good environment. At Jodi, we train our teachers 6 months on the methods we have to use for online tutoring. Our classes are real time, real teachers, real engaging lessons, not just recorded lessons, what you see elsewhere. And the teachers are trained how to engage with children in a fun, engaging way. If you want your child to excel in GCSE and do not want them to get lost in the maze of English education system, and you want to learn more about this, or if you want to know more about the English education system or how our program works, find the link below and book a call with me. I'm happy to help out.